So we're back for more excitement. Now this is going to get tricky now. So in an example here, so we're going to look at simplifying our expressions. So how would this look? You will get a truth table. From that truth table you need to simplify the expression into something smaller. So there is rules to this, and if we start with sum of products, we are only focusing on the ones. So this over here on the left hand side is a Karnaugh map. How you'd structure a Karnaugh map should be exactly the same as that for three variables. So you've got A on the left, and then B and C options on the top column, and in that exact order. So A, not A, and then A beneath the not A. So why is that important? Well, when you come to the truth table, all you're worrying about is the ones for sum of product logic or sum of product Karnaugh maps. So for example here on this top row, if I highlight that, not A, not B and not C, so that's come from there. So not A, not B and not C, so that goes into that's where that's come from. Okay, the next one, I highlight that in pink, so we've got not A, B, not C. Okay, so this is where this comes from here. Okay, and then the bottom two are these two answers here. So if I was shortcutting for this question here, I'd only really worry about the ones and then fill in the zeros after. Okay, so that they're going to come from these two true results here. Now, when you come to answer the question, there's rules with Karnaugh maps, and so you can group rows or columns by anything that's next to each other, horizontally or vertically, and you can group them by opposite. So these two here, the orange and the pink, are on opposite ends of the Karnaugh map, so I could merge these together, but I can't merge anything that's diagonally. So remember those rules, they're important, really important rules to simplifying expressions. So in this example here, I can simplify the first, so the coloured ones, so the orange and the pink, by eliminating anything that doesn't appear in into the expression twice. So not A does, because it's all on that row. Okay, so both the orange and the pink have not A in it. Okay, then the other one is not C. So in this particular scenario here, it would be A and not C. So not A and not C. Okay, we don't need to worry about the B, because we've got a not B in the orange and a B in the pink, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so we've simplified that bit. The next bit, so we separate it by or, and then we need to work on what's the same in both of these ones here, so I can group them because they're next to each other. So we have an A and we have a C. So we don't need to worry about the not B, and we don't need to worry about the B. So that would be our answer to this question. We have simplified that expression using a sum of product Karnaugh map. The answer is not A and not C, or A and C. That would be our answer. So on to the next exciting video we go.